And I went this way, up through this.
I don't see any of your mouse.
All through this.
I just see what your person is.
Man, I would do
see that?
work, but man, I'm already.
Matt?
No, I just see your person. It's not showing me anything else.
Can you not see the where it says choose option on it?
Dude, I fucking died, bro, looking at your stream.
What the fuck, dude?
I'm about to fucking... This is fucking annoying as fuck, dude. I just did all that fucking work and I just fucking died. Oh my fucking god, bro.
Through the weekend.
Not a boy.
Then we might have to loot the pebble, bro.
Right.
I placed the pebble in there and nothing happens.
Sorry, I'm getting all the shit. I'm trying to get some coins. They got some badass Pokemon on here now that you can get.
I think I got 24,000 coins.
What did it do to you, Joey?
Look at some of the
doing the same thing.
Look, they have some new Pokemon now. Look at some of the new ones. I only have 7,000, but I think they're like 15, 14,000, so you definitely have enough.
Oh my god, I just got fucking clapped out again. God damn it.
Are you gonna play with this, Bever?
Damn, I was gonna be
Fuck!
Okay.
Wait.
That's why you yell.
Did you read the fucking quest helper, Joey?
Yeah, I'm reading it right now.
Yeah, well, we fucked up.
Done goofed. Done did a goof amount.
Hey, thanks for watching my stream while I fucking rage about this goddamn 2D ass game. Put up everything besides the stone.
Listen.
And we're over here inserting the stone in the tomb.
Wait, we gotta be naked?
Oh yes, dude, it says that. Did you not read it?
I just, like it tells you word for word what to do.
And
I
figured this out, and then Joey's like, "I'm reading the quest helper,"
and then shit you're wearing.
And then yeah, dude, it says everything. It says bank everything besides the pebble and some food. So we need to go get some food, and we need to bank everything but the pebble. So we need to go up in there buck ass naked, dog.
I just love you guys so much.
Oh my god, this is the best RuneScape experience I've had in a long time.
I think you're fucking lying.
Dude, this is great. I ain't never
Oh my man, there's more.
What?
This is like D&D. How in the fuck? Hey, put up everything you own and come in here with skeletons and a big ass fucking ogre.
Yeah.
This is pretty much like D&D, honestly.
I know. It's all of like $5.
Willie's back.
Oh, I hate it.
Oh, he's back.
Say what?
Are you back? Okay, bet. Hey, so I already got the fucking thing. Oh shit. I already got what we need. Or you got the necklace or whatever. There's a little area over here that we gotta go. Let's go.
I already got all of it.
Well, let's get the fuck out of here. Come on.
I'm gone, bud. I don't know what you're talking about. That needs food.
No, I don't need food.
No, you said you need food.
No, I'm good.
No, I have food.
In like where you
I don't need food. I don't need food.
Loot.
It's just not worth it.
I have the items. See, we're good.
Yeah, it's a hard inquiry. It's a hard inquiry.
I'm going to get the shit that's telling me
Leave
to
girls
get.
tomb and get 6 air, water, and earth roots, a rope, and Gore's amulet, a rope, and some food. Okay.
Well, she get to work from home tomorrow, Matt.
Huh?
So at least she get to work from home tomorrow.
I guess.
I'll be playing another one.
Yeah, dude, I'm down to play another one. What time is it? Yeah, I got time for another one.
11:52. Okay.
Then we open the door. Search the crate in the east room for a key. I mean,
Man,
shit.
if I ever become famous, the only sponsor that I want is Olive Garden's fucking dressing.
Dude, you're stupid, bro. It can't be that good.
Dude, it's
Sick.
so good.
It can't be that good.
Wait, we gotta
You're
go
sick
back
fuck.
up here, you guys. Look, all of us are down here. They're scoring.
Jazzy, we're almost done. I'm at the last part of it, you know.
They're coming.
Joey, is this the statue right here? These two statues in the middle?
Owls and your owls.
Are you guys still watching that corridor or whatever?
We finished it.